Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we will cover best practices for using Bootstrap effectively in legacy ASP.NET Web Forms projects, helping you modernize your UI without breaking existing functionality. Legacy web forms projects often come with complex markup, inline styles, and heavy use of view state and postbacks. These can cause conflicts when integrating modern frameworks like Bootstrap. Despite challenges, Bootstrap helps you create responsive, mobile friendly pages and consistent styling, breathing new life into legacy projects. Always include Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript via CDN or locally, preferably in your master page to maintain consistency. Avoid adding duplicate CSS files that can cause conflicts. Wrap your web forms controls inside Bootstrap containers, rows, and columns to leverage responsive grid layouts instead of old table based designs. Apply Bootstrap classes like form control to text boxes, button primary to buttons, and group inputs in dot form group divs to improve look and feel seamlessly. When using update panels and postbacks, ensure Bootstrap JS and related scripts are outside update panels to avoid broken functionality and manage scripts properly with the script manager. Use browser developer tools to find style conflicts. Override legacy styles in a custom CSS file loaded after Bootstrap and use Bootstrap utilities to avoid inline styling. Implement a responsive Bootstrap navbar in your master page. For menus, either style the ASP.NET menu control or replace it with the HTML markup for better control. Always test your Bootstrap enhanced web forms pages on multiple devices and browsers to ensure consistent behavior, especially if your users use older browsers. Avoid heavy view state, mixing CSS frameworks, neglecting accessibility, and hard coding inline styles, as these reduce maintainability and cause bugs. In summary, properly include Bootstrap, use its grid system, style your web forms controls, manage scripts with postbacks carefully, and always test thoroughly to modernize legacy web forms successfully. Check out these resources for Bootstrap ASP.NET Web Forms, and browser developer tools to dive deeper.